The website I chose is called Climate Kids, and it is brought to you by NASA. This website has different types of science that you can choose from, such as weather and climate, atmosphere, water, plants and animals, but for the purposes of my lesson, I would choose energy. This website's really interactive for kids, but it also provides them with a great source of information about these different resources. For example, if you click on this, you see the story of fossil fuels, all about coal, and you can find information also about oil. So this would be great for students that were required to research the non-renewable energy resources. I also like that this website has interactive games for students to use, that they can really apply what they're learning to real-world scenarios. For example, this game asks students to capture the clean energy from the wind and the sun to produce enough electricity to run the town. So students would really have to apply what they know about renewable energy resources in a real-world scenario. That's also a fun interactive game for them. I also like that it gives different activities for students to take home and do. For example, the Make Sun S'mores would be a really fun activity to do at home, where students are asked to make a solar box to produce enough energy to melt the s'more. I think this would be really fun to do at home, and it would be a great way for them to interact with what they're learning about in school at home. I also like how this has different subjects that I can choose from in the future. So if I was doing a lesson on weather and climate, I could click on this and find all information about that, and also interactive games and interactive activities. I also really appreciate how it branches out to other things, such as this tab here, Lessons for Educators. If you click here, it will bring you to another NASA site where there are all different activities you can do with different subjects in science. For example, under energy, it gives all great activities for students, and it also provides the grade levels that would be appropriate for these activities. Overall, I really appreciate the interactivity of the website, and I really appreciate how it branches you out to different resources. I could definitely see myself using this in my classroom in the future, and I could definitely see myself using it for the lesson I planned in the future as well.